Yo, 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 yo. What's crack the lacking, y'all? Crypto King's back. What's happening, crypto world? What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Sorry, no music tonight, man. I came back home a little late. It's already past midnight. I was a little tired. Just had came back from work and shit. So didn't have no energy to dance for you guys this time. But next time I will. Okay. Anyways, guys, just want to give you guys a quick update on the market and show you guys what I see, what to anticipate for the rest of this week. Looks like the DXY just shot the fuck up hard, guys, making new all-time highs again. Well, new all-time highs within the past 2 years, like since 2020. Okay, it hasn't hit these numbers, so it just hit $99, guys. DXY. It was hovering around 96, 90, 5 or something before for a month or a few weeks ago. Now it's at 99. It's not good, guys. It is not good. I'm just telling you guys right now, being real with you guys. DXY is shooting up. With all this shit happening within the world, like, the war and all the supply chains, looks like everything is it's like a perfect recipe for just shit to just drop even more, guys. And I'm afraid to say that it seems like that's what's happening. It seems like the powers that be want us to go back into another possible bear market for a little bit, guys. I think that's what's possibly happening, guys. I think that's what's unfolding right now. Unfortunate to say, but it looks like that's what's happening. I guess, like, the past 2 years was our little mini bull market. Even though it was like kind of a weird short one, it definitely was still a bull market. It definitely still made a lot of new millionaires and stuff. So, I was expecting it to go a little bit further because it's not close to the last previous peaks. But again, this market is tricky as fuck, man. Especially with all this, like I said, with all the stuff happening right now in the world, man. It's almost impossible to say where the hell it's going. Long term is gonna come back up, of course, guaranteed, almost guaranteed it will. Short term, when, I have no idea. Nobody knows when. That's the whole fucking point. They could fucking fuck you guys and fuck all of us some more. To basically scare everybody, make those who hasn't sold sell. Basically, they want you guys to sell at a low because that's the whole point, so they can buy as much as they can when it's low, and then when things go back up, they want you guys to buy back then. It's all a fucking game. The thing is, don't fall for it. Think of it long term. If you guys already at a loss, no point of fucking selling now. You might as well just hold that bitch, guys. What's the fucking point? Because if you guys happen to do sell, things have to run up, then you guys will regret it. You know what I'm saying? And they'll be like the suckers that decided to sell Bitcoin back in the day when it was going down. From 20 to like fucking, I think it went from 23,000 or some crazy shit. But those who sold it or bought back, regretting it right now. Just saying. Anyways, let's get right to the charts, man. Let's get right to it. I got time for this shit. I'm kind of tired, like I said. Okay, DXY, guys. Where's the DXY? DXY already hit $99, bro. It just hit 99 earlier today. Yeah, that was earlier today. It's fucking crazy, guys. 99.2. So look at where it's at right now. It looks like it's on its way. It's on its way on a rocket ship right now, guys. Unfortunately, that's what it looks like it's happening. It's on its way. Look, it's blasted off right here. This is the rocket ship right here. This is it. On its way up. Last time it was at these levels, it was all over here when it's on its way down at 99. See, when it's on its way down. But it looks like, that was May 2020 since the pandemic hit. Looks like it wants to go back up now and shoot towards where it was back before then. Okay, that's where the US dollar is like it's wants to go. So come up here, dance around $100. And possibly shoot us some more to like 102 or something, like where it is over here. Sorry, I'm yawning, a little tired, like I said. So, like I said, if it does that, guys, then expect further downside for Bitcoin, guys. It's just, it is what it is. But again, like, when people are scared of investing in risky stocks, what do? They put their money back into the dollar. They sell their shares or coins, whatever, and go back to the dollar. Okay? So that's what it is. SPX, stocks. Where's stocks at right now? Stocks also looks like it's at around the same spot. I said it's going to take a dip already. Looks like it's on its way. Slowly on its way, but it's on its way. Like I said, so if this happens, I feel like Bitcoin will follow. Okay, let's go to Big Daddy Bitcoin. Big Daddy Bitcoin's at 37. Oh, 37 now. It's at 38, now 37. So on its way down, exactly like I said. And look at it, guys. It hit, oh, my bad. It hit perfect, right here. It blasted through all these supports, which is support, support, and support. 3 different supports. I was like, oh, yeah, it's going down some more. Now it passed below this green line right here. Came back, got rejected by it. See that? Got rejected by it. Now it's on its way down. That's what I was saying was going to happen. It looks like exactly what's happening. So the next time we can catch a bounce, we'll be here at 37K. Could bounce from there. Maybe come back all the way up to here. Maybe all the way back up to 39, possibly. It's very possible. Or just take a little halfway bounce up here to 38 and further downside, which is what I'm expecting, especially with DXY looking like it just wants the fucking moon. Okay, so it's what it is. It is what it is. Another chart that I want to show you guys was this see this big yellow line right here that it was dancing on top of it before, as support, but now look what it do. It just broke below that also, guys. So it just broke below all these possible supports that could have been, what saved Bitcoin. But right here, this yellow line broke through it, broke through this orange line right here, and the red line, and this yellow line again. It's just the bearish momentum is just too strong with this shit. It's too strong. So yes, I see further downside. I see this maybe bouncing for a second, 37 for a little bit, but then eventually further downside. Like I said, it can come back down to this peak over here at 32, where it was a previous low right here, but I got a feeling that it won't do that. I got a feeling it's going to do worse. It's going to hit that, bounce a little bit, and then break below that bitch. Okay, like I said, I still see the next stop being 27, 28. Is the next ultimate stop. And if it hits that, you know what? It's still possible we stay bullish, surprisingly, because this is where it bounced off before. The same green line right here. See this green line? Respected it before. So it can come back and bounce on this green line before again and continue to bounce up. But if it breaks below that green line, guys, well then fuck. It's officially bear season, basically, which I already feel like it's happening officially bear season. But that would definitely officially take out any possibilities for an extended bull run or lengthening cycle. Benjamin Cohen would say. I think it'll just be a straight bear market for a few months to a year, a few months to a few years. It's very possible, guys. And if that happens, if it breaks 28K, guys, 20K is the next stop. It's almost guaranteed. There are no other stops in between them. Just look at the past, guys. There's nothing else in between. Maybe this little stop right here, but that ain't shit. So breaks 28, it's going to 20K. Breaks 20K, well then shit. Next stop will be 13K right here. See, 13K because it was the last peak over here. See that? That's why a lot of other people were screaming 13K. I'm telling you why. It's because it was the last peak. Last previous support becomes new resistance. New resistance becomes new support, and old peaks usually become the new support. Because that was old resistance before. So you got rejected, and it can work as a new support. So, anyways, guys, that's what I see. Market's really tricky right now. It's all fucked, unfortunately. Yeah, Ethereum back down to 25. Everything is dropping. Cardano back at 80. Everything is dropping again. So there's no fucking point, guys. Everything is going to keep dropping if Bitcoin continues to keep dropping. So that's just what it is, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it'll be the bad bear. The bear bad news. That's what I was trying to say. What the fuck? I'm so out of it, guys. I am freaking exhausted. Okay, my mind. I can't even think right now. I can't even barely speak straight. I just came back from a long day of fucking work. I'm fucking tired as shit. But, I had to do this video. Like I said, I might have missed it exactly to the minute, but fuck it. I'm still doing it. Like I said, 365 days this year. I'm updating you guys on the fucking market. So if you guys appreciate this, man, just give me a quick like. It takes 2 seconds, right? That didn't fucking hurt none. Like I said, give me a comment. Don't hurt none. And if you guys new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, turn your notifications on, because I'm going to give you guys updates on the market every day this year. And I'm going to keep up the charts, so you guys don't have to keep up with it. Just tune in to me and, we find out what the hell's happening, okay? Anyways, so guys, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Like I said, I expect further downside for Bitcoin, especially if DXY is going to shoot up this week, okay? So expect that to happen, unless some crazy shit happening, but I don't see that happening. I see just further downside, unfortunately, okay? And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I'll tune in tomorrow or next time, when you guys want. And that's it. I'll keep you guys updated when I can. All right? That's it, y'all. King's out. Peace. Yeah, what the fuck?